Hey everyone! Today a short presentation of the intercom I've been using for the past 2 years. The Freedconn FX. Let's unbox it. I think we'll skip going through the manual. The intercom is protected with foam, and there's still a protective film on the front. It has a small black plastic housing, a blue backlit strip, and the manufacturer's logo. The buttons are large enough to be easily pressed even while wearing gloves. It's worth mentioning that Freedconn is a Chinese company that has been building its position on the market since 2006. Let's check what comes in the box. We get a USB-C charging cable, a metal helmet mount, solid and durable, another mount, this time plastic, attached with 3M adhesive tape, a set of thick Velcro pads for mounting the speakers. Let's see what else we have. There are the speakers and thin adhesive Velcro pads to attach them inside the helmet. In addition, there are two smaller pads for mounting one of the microphones. The second microphone already has adhesive tape attached and comes on a flexible boom arm. Both mounting brackets allow you to easily attach the intercom to the helmet and remove it just as easily. Despite the universal USB-C standard, the charging port is deeply recessed, so not every USB-C cable will fit. Depending on your helmet type and installation needs, you can choose one of the two microphones included in the set. For my second helmet, I only bought an extra set of speakers and simply swapped the intercom unit between helmets. The speakers connect to the intercom via a mini USB port. The device is fully operated using 5 buttons. While riding, you can use them quickly and conveniently, even with thick gloves. Let's check how fast it powers on and off.
Takie historie. No właśnie chcecie wracać do tych... Tak, właśnie, ja dlatego powiem, że nie jest kompletne. Mam 55 lat. Myślę o sobie...
Finally, 2 more points. As for water resistance so far, the device has been through several heavy rainstorms and works flawlessly. When it comes to listening to music while riding, I usually ride with motorcycle dedicated earplugs, and more often with regular foam earplugs from a hardware store. With both types, I'm still able to listen to music. Regarding speeds at which audio remains clear, a lot depends on your motorcycle's windscreen and how well soundproofed your helmet is. There are several opinions online saying that the volume level of this intercom is more than satisfactory. I mostly ride with flip-over and flip-up helmets, both on a Honda Transalp and a Honda VFR. Quite often, up to 120 km/h, I'm able to listen to music fairly clearly. As for pairing with other intercoms, I can only say that I had no issues connecting with a single no-name intercom. That's all for today. Thanks for watching and feel free to subscribe.